si Manny Pacquiao. Yan na mga kalodi. Kasama si Jinky Pacquiao. Oh. Kasama ang kanyang asawa na si Jinky. Ayan na mga kalodi. Ang ating pambansang kamao.
In a world title shot. Not an exhibition like many other teams.
Ayan, kasama niya ang kanyang asawa. Oh.
Left in us as fighters, and Manny Pacquiao feels that there's a lot of fighting left in him. You know,
Kasama ang asawa niyang si Jinky.
he has no bad habits. He stays in church, clean, cut, and he knows how his body feels. And when people are saying that he's hitting super hard in training sessions, sparring sessions, outrunning young kids, let me tell you something. Manny Pacquiao is ready for hard times. You know what he's been saying all week. I've been
Maraming fans si Jinky mga kalodi.
This speed and this power, and he's always been
Marami siyang fans mga kalodi.
and show what he can do tonight. Maybe it'll help.
Balikan natin. Balikan natin ulit ha. Mga kalodi, balikan natin ulit.
The old nostalgia of the prime.
Balikan natin ulit mga kalodi.
To be cruel